Probielle probiotics are a new word in maintaining the intestinal microflora. Each probielle probiotic is specially formulated to address a specific problem. Probielle Baby is a special combination of beneficial bacteria and vitamin D to support the natural formation of the intestinal microflora and immunity in children from the first day of life. Probielle Bio is a special combination of bacteria to reduce the risk of diarrhea when using antibiotics. Probielle Comfort, a special combination of lactobacteria and bifidobacteria, prune extract, iodine, calcium, and magnesium to normalize the intestinal microflora and stall with constipation. Indications: Probielle Immune can be used as a means to normalize the intestinal microflora and to support the immune system during times of increased immunity, during seasonal outbreaks of infectious diseases and colds, during recovery from acute intestinal disorders or past infections, to reduce the risk of intestinal disorders when changing climate, place of stay, when increased emotional and physical stress associated with stress or acclimatization, during vaccination, as an aid in functional bowel disorders, diarrhea, indigestion. How to use: Adults take 1 capsule daily with meals. The duration of admission is 1 month. If necessary, the reception can be repeated. Before use, it is recommended to consult a doctor. Contraindications: individual intolerance to the components, pregnancy, lactation. Special instructions: Probielle Immune is a specially formulated combination of beneficial lactobacilli fortified with vitamins, selenium, and a beta-glucan complex to support immunity during colds and increased stress of the body. Probielle Immune can help normalize the intestinal microflora and support the body's immune system during recovery from acute intestinal disorders or previous infection, during the season of colds, during climate change, emotional and physical stress, during vaccination.